myself, Asit Desarkar, instructor welder of ITI Hara Homes. Today I discussion about Gmaw Fundamentals or gas metal arc welding, or is another name is metal inert gas. That first introduction. Gmaw or gas metal arc welding is defined as arc welding using a continuously fed consumable electrode and a shielding gas. Gmaw is also known as MIG or metal inert gas welding. Gmaw produces high quality welds and high productivity. The advantages of Gmaw are welding can be done in all positions, means in downhand, horizontal, vertical and overhead also. Large gaps filled or bridge easily. It means when we weld by Gmaw, the thicker section, when the root gap is 2 more, it can be easily filled or bridged by Gmaw process. No slag removal required. As we know, in case of Gmaw process, there will be no flux used on the electrode wire or in other means. So, no slag form in Gmaw process and no slag removal required. High welding speed. It is fully automatic machine in case of wire feeder. So, the welding speed is more than other welding process. High quality weld.